In today's video, I'm planning to teach you how to link a bank account on Wise. We'll go through the process from the Wise homepage all the way to saving your bank details, and I'll keep it simple so it's easy to follow along. This is useful if you want to add a bank account as a recipient, especially if you plan to send money to yourself through Wise. To begin, open Wise and go to the home page. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before continuing, since the recipient you add will be saved there. Once you're on the home screen, look for the recipient section and click on it. This is where Wise stores the people and bank accounts you can send money to later. If you've used Wise before, you may already see existing recipients listed here. Next, click on Add to create a new recipient. This starts the setup for the bank account you want to link. You'll now be asked to choose a currency. In this example, select PHP. Choosing the correct currency is important because it determines the type of bank details Wise will ask for in the next steps. Make sure you pick the currency that matches the bank account you want to. After this, choose bank details. This tells Wise that you're adding a bank account rather than another type of payout method. If you're linking a traditional bank account, this is the right option to select. On the next screen, choose Myself. This option is used when the bank account belongs to you rather than someone else. It helps Wise categorize the recipient correctly and can make future transfers more straightforward. Now enter your account details carefully. This is the most important part of the process, so take your time. Make sure the account information matches your bank records exactly. Even a small typo can cause delays or problems with transfers, so it's a good idea to double check everything before moving on. Once all the details are filled in, click Continue. This saves the information and moves you to the next stage of the setup. At this point, your bank account recipient should be added in Wise, and you'll be able to use it when making transfers. As a final tip, always review the saved details after setup to make sure everything looks correct, especially the currency and account information. And that's how to link a bank account on Wise.